Hi guys, it's Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist here in Los Angeles, and I am so excited today because I am bringing you Zara's new collection. First of all, how gorgeous is this? I'm gonna do a makeup look with all their new makeup, so enjoy. So the first thing that we need to take notice of is how sleek and gorgeous this container, all the containers, the whole line is in this gorgeous, shiny, white material, their lipsticks, everything. Then we take this and everything is replaceable. So you're gonna keep this great compact and then you're just gonna replace things as you need to, and you can purchase things just in the palette. That goes for also the bronzer, again, and this 3-in-1 combo with a powder, blush, and a bronzer. I mean, how amazing is this? It's genius. So I'm taking this pink color and kind of placing it as a neutralizer. It's a little bit metallic, but you can see how it just gives like an evenness to the eye area, and then I can go in with something a little bit more bold, a little bit more crazy. I'm now taking this taupe, matte taupe color, which I love, and I will now bring that across the lid and then into the crease. And I love this brush. So you can see the brush is like this little nub, which is amazing. And it's so pretty, so easy to use. You can see I'm not picking up that much and it's depositing a lot of color. And now I'm gonna just use it to blend this brush. I'm like obsessed with this brush. And I'm just gonna go back and forth and wiggle and blend. I kind of want to do green and blue. So I'm gonna take the green. I'm gonna use this fun brush again. Now this is a more metallic finish, and I'm gonna go on the lid. It's so pretty. Doesn't have too much fallout at all, which is amazing because I already have my concealer and my foundation on. It goes right on really effortlessly, which is amazing. It just really has a really nice slide and slip to it, and it just grasps on to the skin, which is a great thing for eyeshadow. Okay, so now that we got this great green color, I think I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna just darken the outsides a little bit with the blue that comes in this kit, which I love. And again, there's like barely any fallout, like none. And I'm just gonna go darker in the corner with the blue. They feel creamy. I mean, that is a compliment. They really made these so nice. I mean, this feels like very luxe. They have this like slanted brush. I'm going to take this and I'm going to actually just pull out with the blue a little bit. The consistency of the shadow is amazing, and I have hooded eyes and I feel like they're sticking on perfectly, and I love it. It's like a kaleidoscope. So next I'm going to use this bronzer, and I'm going to use one of their powder brushes, which are amazing. Just warming up your skin with a little bit of bronzer can be all the difference in the way you look, because it can just make you look so much more healthy. It's really just gorgeous and natural and light. They really killed it with these textures. So this is an amazing highlighter, super subtle. I love it when it's subtle. I love to place that down first, and then I'm gonna take the actual blush that it comes with. If you just pick up a little bit, it goes beautifully onto the brush, and then it just transfers really nicely. It's really easy to use and it's not messy, and it looks gorgeous. So glowy, so Zara. Hello. There are so many different lipsticks. I mean, it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. So the lipsticks look like this, and they have a magnetic clasp. And then they also make these gorgeous little skinny, they're the stilettos. And so they look like this. And how gorgeous is that? I'll just show you guys the box that it comes in. It says Zara, and then it has the color on top. It's recyclable. It comes with an empty case, and then this is the color of the lipstick, and you just place it here. There you go. You gotta like really get it in there. This is Debut. I'm gonna try it. It's like an orange nude. Love it. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm feeling like super jazzed about this. I'm feeling really excited that Zara finally came out with makeup. I'm giving a solid review for this because it's fantastic. And I love that it's refillable. It comes in so many beautiful colors. Like the lipsticks are crazy. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this line. I really feel like I look fantastic. Zara has yet crushed it again. So now you can go get all your clothes, shoes, jewelry, and makeup there now.